Hello folks, welcome back. Welcome to FX First Argo Decoded. My name is JD. Today I'm going to teach you guys how to use true support and resistance. I will release around 4 or 5 videos about this concept, and I'm doing this because I have had some of you guys asking me to teach you about this, and I think it's time to do that. So support and resistance, it's a concept that works, and if you pay attention to it, you'll have a complete strategy that you can use and still make money. So throughout these videos, throughout this course, we will be using FastBull, because FastBull gives us what we need, because trading this style requires you to be able to watch chart on different time frames at the same time, and this feature is only found on the FastBull, where it is free forever. You don't have to pay it, you use it for free. So let's first of all show you how to access the website. You simply go to your Google Chrome, and then you do what? You type fastbull.com, and then you will see the site opening, and then you click on the product. You can see the chart free forever, and then you click on it, a new tab will open, and then your chart will do what? Your chart will appear. So this is how the platform looks like. You can increase your screen, and then do what? If you don't see any symbol, you simply click here on the search symbol, and a new window will open. Then you can search your favorite pair like GBP, USD, and then it will come here. As you can see, the chart will open. If you want to change the color, just click in the screen here, right click here, right here, then click on property, or you can click here on this setting button, and then you go to properties, and here you can do what? You can change your layout. So if you want to use multi time frame analysis, of course you will need what? We need multiple charts on your windows. So what you do, you simply click on this button. For example, if I have a GBP/USD and I need, for example, to view again a GBP/USD on 4 hour, maybe a daily, I will simply do what? I will copy the chart. As you can see, I have double chart, one chart, first chart, second chart. Then I have what? I can copy again, and I have another chart here. As you can see, we have different tabs. They are all showing the same time frame, but I can click on 4 hour. Maybe here I can click on daily. Maybe here I can click on weekly. So I have GBP/USD on weekly, GBP/USD on daily, GBP/USD on 4 hour. Then I can click here on this button here, and I can choose how I want my windows, my charts to appear. So I can click here, and as you can see, I have every time frame. I have a window, one window for weekly time frame, one window for daily time frame, one window for hour time frame. I can add as many as I can. So, and this is free. Remember, there are other websites where this is paid, so why not using this for free? So we will be using this to show you guys how you can trade that trading method, using maritime frame analysis. So we'll come back here. First of all, let's go back to our drawings here, so that you first of all understand what we mean by true support and resistance. So you have two types of support and 2 types of resistance. So first of all, there is what we call buy-sell resistance. Buy-sell resistance is when you have a bullish candle crossing, and then you have a bearish candle forming, and then it closes. So as you can see on this chart, this is a bullish candle, this is a bearish candle. So when you are going to to find a resistance level here, you just focus on what? On the cross price of the bullish candle. You focus on the cross price of the bullish candle. So the same here. If you are doing what? If you see a bearish candle forming here, and then you see a bullish candle forming, then you have a support level. Here you focus on cross price of the bearish candle. Remember the opening price, there can be a gap and whatever. So focus on the cross price of the bearish candle. That's where your support level is. So this is what we call sell buy support level. Why do we say sell buy support level? It's because first of all you have a sell forming and then you have a buy forming. So we call it sell buy support level. So the next one is this. We have sell resistance level. So here it's when a candle crosses and a new one opens and then continues to go down. They are all doing what? They are all creating a bearish move, as you can see. So between these two candles is where you find your resistance level. So we call it the sell resistance level because you have one candle selling, another candle selling. So this area is a crucial zone for your future trade. So here you have buy, you have the buy support. So we have a candle buying and it closes. A new one opens and then buys, and then we call it buy support level. So these are 4 types of support and resistance. So I will go to FastBull again and I will show you guys how it looks like on a real chart. So this is GBP USD. This is GBP USD. Here on FastBull, if you have a window here, if you want, you can maximize it by clicking on this button you see here. You can click and you see your window in full mode. So what do we mean by assume that we are going to look for buy sell support level. Buy sell support level. Assume we're going to look for buy sell support level and use this one because this is very clear. So you can see here you have what? You have a candle pushing higher, and then it closes as a bullish candle. A new candle forms. Don't care about this type of manipulation. If you and whatever, I'm just teaching you support and resistance. As you can see, a new candle was formed and it was a bearish. So this is what we call buy sell support level. And your support level is found where? Is found on this close price of this bullish candle. So meaning if I'm going to mark support level, I mean the resistance level, sorry. This is a resistance level because you have a buy sell resistance level. Sorry guys, this is a resistance level. So this is on this close price. This is where I will highlight. This area close price. I will ignore this bearish candle because bearish candle opens here and it closes here. So I look for close price of this bullish candle. This is where my support is. So your future trade, you can see this rejection. This is where you get opportunity for you to buy or sell. We will see that in another video. So this is what we call buy sell support level. For example, here buy sell support level. You can see this candle here. This is what we call buy sell support level. These two candles, ignore this one, these two candles, this one. So my zone is here. My zone is here. This is the zone. This is the resistance level. I'm trying to mix support and resistance. This is the resistance level. Sorry guys, hope you understand what I mean. This is a resistance level. You put your vertical line here, I mean your horizontal ray on what? On the close price of your bearish candle. If you need to change color of the size, you can change color here by clicking, and you can see you can change the color. Make sure you put your line on what? On the close price of this bullish candle. On the close price of this bullish candle. As you can see, like this. That's it. This is a perfect zone. This is a perfect zone. So that's it. That's how to mark the zone by sell resistance level. How about sell by resistance level? If you want to delete your drawings, you do what? You click on it, and then you can do what? Right click and delete all. You can delete all. Now, by sell support level, you have a bearish candle here forming, you have a bullish candle forming. So this is what your zone, your support level is on this bearish candle, the closer price of bearish candle. Sell by support level. So you mark this area as your zone. Hope you can see that. So this is it for sell by support level. How about sell support level or resistance level? There is sell resistance level. There is what you call buy support level. So here you look for what? You look for candles, the closer price of these candles, between two candles that are forming the same trend. For example, this one here, you have a sell candle. This candle was a selling, and then closes here. A new one opens, sorted to the way down, and closed around here. So between these two candles, we have what? We have a zone. We have a sell resistance level here. This is a sell resistance level. You put your line on this candle that closed, the first one to close in the sell resistance level. The same here. The same here. We have what? We have a sell resistance level. See how resistance was broken and tested, then the price went higher. So this is what you call sell resistance level. Resistance level. That's it. Then we have what? We have another candle forming here, buy sell. For example, this is a buy sell, not sell. It's a buy sell here, because the closer price is here. That's why you focus on closer price, because you see the open price sometimes creates a gap, but you can see a perfect setup here. So this I'm done showing you sell support level. I mean sell resistance level. And then I'm doing here. There are so many examples. You can. This is sell. For example, this is what I want to show you here. Look at this. Look at this area. This is the closer price. This is the open price. You may ask yourself, where do you put your zone? Because the body, you can see. Look at the body of these candles. One is here, another one is here. So where is support or resistance? So if it is a sell, you're looking for resistance, you do what? You mark your zone on this closer price of this candle. This is the true zone. Not here, just here. because this is the cross price of the candle. The one crossed here, another one crossed here. So between these two candles, again, the zone is here. This is the zone. This is the zone. Cross the price only. Cross the price only. Just focus on that. Don't take it easy. Don't take it easy. Pay attention to everything, because it will click by the end of video series we are starting this month. I'm sure you will love it. So what about buy support level? Buy support level. You have this candle, this bullish candle. First of all, you have a sell and buy between these two candles. Then you have what? Between this bullish candle and this bullish candle, you have a gap. Then if you are asked to draw a zone, you draw on the close price of this candle. Close price of this candle. So this is what we call buy support level. Again, here we have two candles here. They are all in the same direction. So where is a support level? Where is the buy support level? You just focus on the close price of this candle. Then you do what? You mark it like this. This is what? This is buy support level. If this rejection succeeds with a clear manipulation, why not buying the market? Hope this start clicking for those who understand the manipulation and who want to catch, for example, monthly candle. If you have a manipulation weekly, why not buying and keep going higher? Hope you understand until a new negation forms or whatever. But this time, I'm teaching you buy support level. So for example, if someone asks you to draw here what kind of resistance we have here, buy sell resistance level, I mean here, this candle and this candle. So you mark the close price of this bullish candle. You mark the close price of this bullish candle. So here, the next zone is what? Is sell resistance level. You mark this area, resistance level. I will show you how to determine the direction using this concept. And of course, we only use manipulation to validate every setup. I have to show you guys how to use this to determine the direction. So this is it. As you can see, we are moving from one zone to another. We are going here. Maybe you can break and test, and then you keep going higher. This is it. So the good feature of using FastBull, for example, on another platforms, you cannot have multiple charts for free like this. For example, if I click like this, you can see I have my chart here. Maybe I can change to another time frame. Let me show you. Let me copy this. Just copy. Then create another copy. Then here, you can click on this feature. Very good feature. And then you can see I still have my chart both on weekly time frame. Then here I can change to daily time frame. As you can see, daily time frame. You can see that I still have an idea of what is going on. I have a weekly, and I'm trying to do what? I'm detecting how every time frame is doing the job. It's doing the job using what? All time frames in one screen. So if you have a big screen, you are going to love it. So here I change to, for example, I have weekly, daily, then I need 4 hours. I need 4 hours, as you can see. You see that? We are rejecting the zone with a clear manipulation. So if you break this area, maybe price will have created a beautiful range for you to trade a pullback. You are detecting a candle, how it forms on multiple time frames. This is why I recommend to use this chart, guys, for your benefit. So again, before Before we continue, let's go back to our drawings, and I will show you guys another thing to remember when we want to deal with true support and resistance. So you have to understand what we call fresh and unfresh zones. So if a zone, one of these zones, if a zone is untested, it is a fresh zone. Note this. Take a pen and paper and write down this. Jot it down. If a zone is untested, it is a fresh zone. If a zone is tested, it is an unfresh zone. If an unfresh zone is broken, it becomes a fresh zone. What do we mean? For example, you see a buy-sell resistance level. This one. This zone is a fresh zone because it was not tested. That's why you say if a zone is untested, it is a fresh zone. So this zone is untested, so we call it a fresh zone. Then number 2, if a zone is tested, it is an unfresh zone. For example, this area, it was a fresh zone. By this time, it was tested by this candle. This candle, you see, it tested and rejected. This zone becomes unfresh for sale because it was already used. It becomes unfresh for a sale. However, number 3 says if unfresh zone is broken, it becomes a fresh zone. If unfresh zone, for example, if this unfresh zone, if a new candle comes and breaks this zone, it becomes fresh for buy. It was unfresh for sale, but now it is broken, it becomes fresh for buy. For example, here it's the same pattern. Then we see new candles coming, and then a new candle breaks. This becomes a fresh zone. It was unfresh here. It was unfresh here. It was when it was tested here, it was unfresh on this area. But after it was broken, that means our resistance becomes support. Then it becomes a fresh zone. A fresh zone. Do not forget that. Do not forget that. The same. This I have just used resistance zones as an example. The same applies for support zones. The same here. We have sell resistance level. We may have a buy resistance level, but I will use a sell just to give you an example. You are smart enough to understand that even on the buy zones, it can be the same. Buy support level is the same concept. So fresh zone, because this is a sell zone that was not tested. Then here we have sell resistance level that was tested by this candle, then it becomes unfresh. Then later a new candle forms and breaks the zone. This means it was unfresh here, but because it is broken, it was here it was unfresh for sale, but here it becomes fresh because it is broken. It becomes fresh for buy. Hope you understand. So this becomes what? This becomes a fresh zone. This becomes a fresh zone. This becomes a fresh zone. You can see this becomes a fresh zone. So let's go back to FastBull and I show you examples. And I'll show you examples. Let's highlight. Let's maximize this. Let's maximize this. So here, let's find a perfect example for you. Examples are so many. I'm just trying to show you the best one. So here we have what? We have sell buy. It was not tested here. That means it is fresh. It's simple. As I showed you. We have what? We have buy, sell. So we have sell, for example. We have the sell. sell. This is a sell resistance level. It is fresh. It is fresh. It is fresh here. You can see it is fresh. At this time it is fresh, but price came back to test it. Once it is tested, this zone is no longer fresh. We are no longer interested in this zone because it was already used. It was already used. For example, this area, we have buy and buy support level. It was fresh. It was fresh here. Sorry guys. It was fresh here. It was fresh here. Then the candle came here. Did not reject it. Instead, it broke it. It broke it. After being broken, a new candle came. This new candle came back to test it. This means this candle is what? This zone is it. It was fresh here, but this time it was unfresh. It was unfresh. It was unfresh. So the same on this level. This was a tested by sell. It was tested by this candle and fresh. But you have a new zone. Sell support level here. It was a fresh, but this candle came back to test it. This means it is unfresh. However, after being broken by this candle, it becomes fresh for buy. That means price can come back here and you buy. The same here. You have fresh, you have sell. It was fresh until this candle came back here to test it and it becomes unfresh. So we are no longer interested in using that because it was already tested. It was already tested. So what happens is this: when the price comes back here, you can look for opportunity to do what? Opportunity to sell. I mean opportunity to buy. Opportunity to buy. So here you have buy support level, which is fresh. It is tested. If price reject perfectly with anti manipulation or anti FU or FU, I mean just rejection. If rejected with a weak, then this zone will become unfresh. But at the moment it is fresh and it is being tested. This means there is a possible buy opportunity that may form on this area. Something I will show you in the next video. What to do when the zone arrives. I mean, what to do when a candle reaches your zone and performs a rejection. I'll be showing you what to do. I'll be showing you what to do. So I think this is it. This is it for this video. That's it. We'll be using FastBull when we are doing analysis, multiple analysis, because we'll be able to see the chart on multiple time frame at the same time without switching. We'll just clicking here, and I'll be showing you what happens on weekly, what happens daily, what happens on 4 hour at the same screen, on the same screen. That will be very, very good. And remember, this is free forever. Just start using it, guys. And there are other features on this site that you can use, like signals, whatever, contest. Just navigate this site. You will see more, guys. So thank you, guys. Until next time, guys. Good luck and good trading.